Welcome to April's Garden Challenges, where we dive into the wonderful world of gardening to help you conquer common obstacles and turn your garden into a paradise. Today, we're tackling the unique challenges of April and offering expert solutions to make your garden thrive. So grab your shovel and let's dig in. April, the month of blooming flowers, chirping birds, and fresh beginnings. But along with the beauty of spring comes a few gardening challenges that can leave even the most seasoned gardeners scratching their heads. From unpredictable weather to pesky pests, April brings its own set of hurdles. But fear not, fellow garden enthusiasts, because we've got you covered. 1. Weather woes. April showers, they bring May flowers, right? Well, sometimes they bring more than just flowers. April weather can be as unpredictable as it gets, with sudden downpours followed by scorching sun. So how do you navigate these weather woes? The key to tackling April's unpredictable weather is to be prepared. Keep an eye on the forecast and adjust your watering schedule accordingly. Invest in some quality mulch to help retain moisture during dry spells. And don't forget to cover delicate plants during unexpected frosts. With a little preparation, you can weather any storm that April throws your way. 2. Pest problems. The joys of gardening, unfortunately. Pests seem to love our gardens just as much as we do. From hungry rabbits to pesky aphids, keeping pests at bay can feel like an uphill battle. But fear not, because there are plenty of natural solutions to help protect your precious plants. When it comes to pests, prevention is key. Planting companion crops like marigolds and basil can help deter unwanted visitors, while homemade insect repellents made from garlic and chili peppers can keep bugs at bay. And if all else fails, don't be afraid to call in reinforcements. There are plenty of natural predators like ladybugs and praying mantises that can help keep your garden pest-free. 3. Soil struggles. They say that good things grow in good soil, but what if your soil isn't up to par? Poor soil quality can be a major obstacle for gardeners, but with a little know-how, you can turn even the most barren plot into a thriving oasis. The key to healthy plants is healthy soil. Start by testing your soil to determine its pH and nutrient levels, then amend as needed with compost, organic matter, and natural fertilizers. Incorporating raised beds or container gardening can also help overcome poor soil conditions, giving your plants the nutrients they need to flourish. And there you have it, expert solutions to conquer April's garden challenges. With a little preparation, some natural remedies, and a lot of love, you can overcome any obstacle that comes your way and create the garden of your dreams. So roll up your sleeves and get gardening. Your garden will thank you for it.